KFC. Look at it.
Hey guys, welcome. It's Labor Day. We got to the beach, but it's raining. We're eating now. We got some chicken, some Hawaiian buns, and drink some. I just got the dessert. America got her boiled.
Tastes good. Yes. Tastes good.
Oh God.
Yeah, guys, so I'm here. I was here pregnant, now I'm here again pregnant. Oh, we gotta find a shade.
I can't even see right now. Hold on.
Unless we buy an umbrella.
Buy one. What you talking about?
Yeah, guys. I'm gonna catch a little break first. See, I'm sweating my butt off. I gotta sit up.